PC software on a budget, 10 free web apps that beat expensive alternatives. Stop paying for expensive PC softwares, 10 free web apps that can replace your PC software. 1. Google Office Suite. Google Suite presents free alternatives to Microsoft Office. Replace MS Word-Google Docs, MS Excel-Google Sheets, google.com/docs, google.com/sheets. 2. Online Convert. Convert media files online from one format into another. This free online file converter effortlessly transforms diverse media files. It supports audio, video, images, documents, easy conversion without the need for additional software downloads. Online-convert.com. 3. VirusTotal, a free online platform for scanning files and URLs, equipped with multiple antivirus engines, ensuring comprehensive virus detection. It can also scan Trojans and worms. VirusTotal.com. 4. Silex, your no-code website builder, an open-source website builder enabling code-free website creation directly within the browser. Silex offers collaboration features and a range of templates for a seamless website building experience. Silex.me. 5. PDF Escape, best alternative instead of using Adobe Acrobat. PDF Escape serves as a comprehensive tool for creating and editing PDF documents. pdfescape.com. 6. iPicky, everything you need to make your photo awesome online. Similar to Pixlr and PicMonkey, iPicky offers photo editing, collage making, graphic design tool, all for free but supported by ads. iPicky.com. 7. Microsoft Office Online. Microsoft's online Office suite offers alternatives to Word, Excel, and PowerPoint. It's a completely free option for users. Microsoft.com. 8. SlideDog. Create seamless playlists from your favorite presentation media. A specialized media player tailored for presentations. Slidedog.com. 9. Powtoon. Create jaw-dropping videos and presentations, an animation software facilitating the creation of dynamic presentations using pre-made templates, images, music, and voiceovers. Check out the free limited version, powtoon.com. 10. Weebly. Weebly enables users to create websites without coding. Power of web hosting service and a drag-and-drop website builder in one platform. Build a free website that grows with your business. Weebly.com.